are a critical part of our planet. The famous San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge is in the center of an area largely dependent on sea life. In 2013, our carbon emissions were 5,396 million metric tons in the United States. As many are aware, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are causing issues such as ice caps melting, heat waves, drought, and extinction. Everyone seems to be aware of the way carbon is affecting our atmosphere, but nobody is considering how the carbon emissions are affecting our oceans. These are absorbing 25 to 30% of carbon emissions with disastrous effects. While this slows the heating of our planet, it warms and changes the chemical environment of the ocean. Carbon dioxide at the surface mixes with the water to form carbonic acid. These molecules get trapped, making the ocean acidic. The ocean has already increased 0.1, which moved the ocean from a pH of 8.179 to a current of 8.069. That may not seem big, but that means the ocean is 10 times more acidic. Normally, the oceans naturally change that much over a span of 5,000 to 10,000 years, but humans have caused this change to occur in just over 50. It is projected that pH of the ocean could be decreased by another 0.4 units in this century and 0.7 units beyond 2100. This will cause the increased breakdown of our coral reefs, which are more basic in pH, to balance ocean chemistry. Coral reefs house over 800 species of coral and over 4,000 of fish, making them very important in supporting ocean food chains. They are important to us too, because reefs have a $5.5 million value to the world's economy in tourism and fishing. Warmer water temperatures stress corals and they bleach, turning white and becoming vulnerable to disease. The dead corals release stored carbon dioxide, which is added back to the ocean and atmosphere and makes the problem worse. If this continues, the only place we'll be able to find fish and other beautiful aquatic life is in captivity. If you want to save this amazing life system, there are a few small steps we can all take. The biggest problem is our carbon emissions, so it is recommended that you conserve energy, make a green commute, and eat local foods. Our actions will make a difference. We want to keep our oceans beautiful and healthy and also preserve the species we know and love.